you are in a marriage and the marriage is struggling and you want to change it fast, as quickly as possible, while you are growing and developing yourself, you discover that I need to change, I need to grow. There's something that I'm not doing right and I want to fix it. And what do I do to make that change fast? The first thing is, and it is most important, this one, even though it's simplest, it is the most important. Write down the goal for the marriage and start to pray about it. And the way you pray about it is you mention the things you want in the marriage, and you say, Lord, I thank you for this marriage that you have given to me. I ask that you help us so that we can have this. You list out the things you want to see in your marriage. And once you pray that once, you go ahead and begin to thank God for it, because God wants that for you already. He won't put you in a marriage that is messed up. He wants you to have a good marriage. So every time your husband does something or your wife does something that you don't like or you don't appreciate, you remember what you have prayed and you thank God. Lord, I thank you because this is being done. This, I've placed an order and that order is being delivered and it's going to be delivered. I thank you for it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times every day. You do that. The reason why you do that is because if you stay in the mode of possibility and that there's hope and there's going to be a change, you open up your spirit, your mind, and your body to ideas and ways to transform your marriage. This is the first and the most fundamental part of this journey that you're going to be on. If you've done that, the next thing is find out how to show love to your husband or your wife without thinking about what they've done or what they've not done. That's not important for this time. If you want to calm things down, you want to show them love consistently. Now, they may have done wrong and there's need for forgiveness and all of that. This is all I teach that, but you have to wait. That takes time. But before that happens, you want to calm things down. That's when you discover the love language of your spouse and start using it every day. And then the last part is respect. For men, they love respect. No man cannot resist respect. They can't. Every man loves to be honored. If you just admire your husband, lift them up, speak to them as if they are the president of the nation, that they're important, they are very important, lift them up. You may feel that as a wife, that is not it doesn't make me feel personal. It's not intimate. Yes, that's how you feel, but your husband doesn't feel like that. Most husbands, they are able to, they want to be respected and intimate at the same time. And for women, sometimes you assume that intimacy also is equal to familiarity and just being close. Don't do that. Don't try to say, I want to be pally, close. That's going to happen automatically. What you want to do right now is to calm things down. So lift them up, treat them with high respect. And for husband also, don't just assume because you've told her you love her, that's enough. No. Pursue her, woo her, show her that you love her. She's precious. The way you would take care of someone that is most precious, that is going to that if you make a mistake, you're going to lose a lot. That's how you want to treat your wife. For this time, it calms things down. Then you can grow